Hi my dear friends, here we are going to discuss our module 2 hardware basic and NetApp system manager. So what's the introduction of the hardware basic and the NetApp system manager? So here in this module we will see how we're gonna link our simulator which is already set up before, like here we can see. And for that first we need to install NetApp and Command System Manager, which will act as a controlling interface for our data on tap simulator from here. And the ISO file which was provided to install NetApp and Command System, and then we will look like how we link the simulator using the first interface IP address on the data on tab. So now I'm going to start my module by clicking on the client machine, and I'm going to the client machine. Here we can see here. Now here, what are the objectives? Why we are doing this module? So we will see 3 to 4 objectives at the end of the completion of the module. Before that, we will start the module. Like here on the client machine, my client machine is on. We will double tap on the NetApp and Command System. Now here it will take like few seconds to open that. Now I'm not needing to consider this one. So here now we can see the NetApp and Command System. I will fully screen it. The storage system name, which name is ashutosh.ashutosh1.com, and the IP address is 192.168.10.2. So here I will click here, and I will do the right click, then I will log in here, and we'll log in. Then here we can see the dashboard. So here the dashboard which appear for the storage system. Here you can see, and you will see 4 sections. The 4 sections of information, which is storage, how much it's used, storage, that is its storage capacity, its aggregates, volumes, and notification reminders. Now here on NetApp on Command System Manager, we will go to the configuration, and the configuration we can see various options here. We will click the network system. Here we can see DNS. So I will click on the DNS, and on the DNS we can do the editing things. Here we can see here the general thing and the dynamic DNS. So we will not do any dynamic DNS, because dynamic DNS is something which will record your settings according to the hours and the minutes. So we are supposed to do the general setting, which we will provide the DNS domain name. That name is ashutosh1.com. Then we will here click the enable DNS. Then here we can see the DNS search domain, which we have given the domain name, the server, for example, vi.com. And in that server address, we have given the IP address, for example, 192.168.10.10. And then we will, here we can see the option save and close. So we will do that. Now here you can see that DNS service is on, DNS caching which is on, and my DNS domain name also here we can see ashutosh1.com, and we have dynamic DNS update which is switch off, and also we are seeing the dynamic update interval, that is 24 hours. So as we finished our DNS setting, so at the beginning I told, at the end of the exercise we'll discuss what are the objectives we have achieved by finishing this module. So in this module we have seen like how we log into the exercise environment. Second, we also seen how to install NetApp on Command System Manager. Third, we have also seen how we're gonna add a storage system to the NetApp System Manager. And then the last, we have seen the important part of this module, that is how to configure the domain name system DNS using the system manager. Hope you will enjoy this video and understand this video as well. Thank you. Have a great day, friends.